Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time coming, but I'm here finally. Today we'll be making a pepper turkey, and if this is a video you're interested in, keep watching and let me know at the end of the video if my method is different from yours. These are my neatly cleaned turkey and some of the ingredients I'll be using to marinate them. You might be asking why we're using pepper to marinate them, but come on, we're making pepper turkey and I need the pepper to dive into the turkey. So I added soy sauce into the pepper mix because it gives your turkey a juicy taste. So if you're wondering why I'm adding a lot of spice or ingredient to this turkey requires a lot of ingredients, much more ingredient than the normal chicken for it to be tasty. I'll be mixing them thoroughly and then I'll cover with a cling film and put into the refrigerator and allow it to marinate. I'll be marinating it overnight because I'll be using it tomorrow to cook. Good morning guys, so it's the next morning and I'll be steaming the turkey for like 20 minutes. Then I'll add enough water into the pot and allow it to cook for another 30 minutes. So I ended up cooking the turkey for like 1 hour with the steaming time inclusive. So I poured enough oil into a pan and allowed it to heat up. Then I fried my turkey until it was golden brown in color. This turkey is done frying. Guys, can you see this golden beauty? This is exactly what I mean when I talk about golden brown color. See these golden beauties. Guys, tell me, how many of this turkey can you finish at once? Maybe I can send it to your location. So for the peppering or for the sauce, I'll be using 1 tomato fruit and a lot of pepper. The reason I'm using a tomato fruit is to reduce the harshness of the pepper. In making my pepper sauce, I love to blend my pepper to this texture. No need for it to be smooth. Come on, it's peppered sauce, so you need to feel the pepper in it. So I reduced the oil I used in frying the turkey, and then I added my onion and a spoon and half of tomato paste just for the color. So I'll allow them to fry together for some time, then I'll add my blended pepper mix. So because I'm using tomato paste, I'll have to fry a bit longer before adding my spice. I'll be using thyme, rosemary, seasoning powder, curry, salt and extra grinded pepper. At this point, my sauce was ready and tasty, so I added my turkey and mixed it up properly, then allowed it to cook together with the sauce for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then I sprinkled a little dried pepper on it and mixed it again, then I brought it out of fire. Guys, let's take a moment to appreciate these beauties. At this point, you should have liked, subscribed and shared this video. If you've not done that, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do so before leaving this channel. This looks so good and tastes yummy. Wow. Thank you guys for watching up until this point. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.